Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to install ChatGPT as an app. So this works on Windows, Mac, and even Chromebooks if you're using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. So first, open your web browser and go to chatgpt.com. Then sign into your ChatGPT account if you haven't already. If you're using Google Chrome, look for the install icon on the right side of the address bar. Then click on that, then select install. And if you don't see the icon, what you need to do is to click the three dot in the top right corner. Then scroll down and go to cast, save, and share, followed by install page as app. So click install page as app. Then you can rename the app right here. Once done, click install to confirm the action. And it will be installed as an app on your PC. Now, if you're using Microsoft Edge, so let's open Microsoft Edge and search for ChatGPT. So let's open it and sign in. Now, once you're here, click the three dots in the top right corner. Then go to More Tools. Then look for Apps and click Install this site as an app. You can rename it, then click Install to confirm the action. So once installed, ChatGPT opens in its own window, just like a regular desktop app. So you can also pin this to your taskbar on Windows or keep it in your dock on Mac for quick access. So to pin it, just right click on it and click pin to taskbar. If you want to uninstall it, just open it and click the three dots. So open it and click the three dots, then click uninstall ChatGPT if it's available. If it isn't available, you can go to your settings, then go to apps, then go to installed apps and search for ChatGPT in here. Then click the three dots and just click uninstall and confirm the action to delete it or to uninstall it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.